Coming to you live from Madrid. It's me, Cheska. I just want to greet everyone a Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoy the holidays. I wanted to make a video to show you how we celebrate Christmas here in Madrid, but unfortunately, the weather has not been cooperating. It has been snowing and raining, and I cannot do any video. So, I was able to take a picture, well, some pictures and a video of our mini COD, which I also sent, so I hope you can catch a glimpse of it. And I also sent you some turones, but it's like this. It's a kind of sweet that we eat here for dessert, but you probably get it after New Year because it's still on its way in an LPC box that I sent through my friend. Anyway, please post videos of the kids' presentation, the fiesta, all the food. Mom gave me a short preview of what you're all going to eat. So, ginugutom na talaga ako at naiingit ako kasi dito kanya-kanya kaming luto. But it's still fun. I'm celebrating Christmas with my cousins and some of my friends who do not have families here. So, it's gonna be great. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Again, Feliz Navidad a todos. Un abrazo fuerte y muchos besos.